Hi, I'm
Hello,
Joanne.
good morning.
I'm, I'm Joanne Goldblum. I'm the CEO of the National Diaper Bank Network, and I'm here with Amina Weiskerger, the Executive Director at ShareBaby, a diaper bank in Baltimore, Maryland.
Yes,
Thank you for joining us today, Amina.
thanks for having me.
So first, this is about Diaper Need Awareness Week. Tell us about your diaper bank and about how you guys work. We know a lot of diaper banks work the same way, but I'm sure there are specifics about ShareBaby that it's important
Sure.
for people to know.
Sure. Well, we were founded a little over 5 years ago here in Baltimore by three mothers who really wanted to create an organization in order for mothers to share with other mothers that were in need. And the idea was to have like a full service baby pantry that was really sharing a lot of items.
Mm-hmm.
But what soon became apparent was that the item that was in most desperate need was diapers.
Right.
And so really ShareBaby pretty much within 6 months of its creation
Mm-hmm.
became a diaper bank primarily.
Right.
And has continued to focus on diaper need as its primary objective.
Right.
And in that time, we have grown tremendously, basically doubling our distribution of diapers each year since our founding. And we serve just over 50 community-based organizations.
Wow.
That serve a number of vulnerable populations in our city. Mm-hmm. And we will distribute over 2 million diapers this year.
Wow,
so
that is amazing.
Yes, and it's really been through the strength and generosity of our community.
Right.
And honestly, the strength and generosity of our national partners, like the National Diaper Bank Network, that have showed us the most efficient ways to operate, mm-hmm. have created pathways to programs like Pathway to Provide, and
right.
Getting truckloads of donations,
mm-hmm.
of diapers that have really sort of enabled us to grow in a smart and efficient way, and be able to sort of really make an impact in our city. So that's our story.
2 million diapers in a year. Congratulations.
Yeah.
I guess my question is that related to COVID? Has COVID changed the way you function or anything like that?
Yeah, so like I said, we have been on this upward
mm-hmm.
trajectory, and we did just over 1 million last year.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so what I've been kind of saying is it is something to be proud of, and we're very glad that we were able to sort of build our capacity to
right.
distribute the 2 million diapers. But it also is a reflection of the incredible need that exists in our community that has really magnified because of COVID.
Right.
We definitely we know that 1 in 3 families struggles with diaper need, but we've seen a growing number of families reach out and rely on us as a diaper bank to bridge that diaper gap.
Right.
The one major change that we've experienced during COVID is we have been a model of a diaper bank that primarily distributes through our community partners.
Right.
But since COVID, we run and coordinate 4 public diaper distribution hubs in each quadrant of our city, and we do that once a month. We do public distribution, walk-up distribution for families in need. And so that has been responsible for a lot of our, diaper distributions on a monthly basis. But we have felt that we really wanted to remove as many barriers as possible in this time of crisis, so that families could just walk up and get some resources very quickly.
Yeah, that's amazing. It's impressive that you have been able to pivot, so effectively to both continue the way you had been distributing, but also change that to make that difference, which is really impressive. We've heard from diaper banks that they've seen, the need grow, exponentially as much as,
Absolutely.
300%, 400%. Are you seeing numbers like that?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, not only have we seen the requests from our existing partners
Right.
grow to 400%, but
Mm-hmm.
just out in the community, especially during the beginning of this crisis, we actually had legislators reach out to us because the shelves at stores were empty.
Right. Right.
There wasn't even a way to access resources, even if you did have the means to purchase them.
Right.
Baltimore is an urban area, but we are plagued by food deserts.
Right.
And so there are, a number of areas in our city that are served maybe with one grocery store for a 15-mile radius.
Mm-hmm.
And so there's an access problem. And absolutely, we have working families that have never reached out to us before that are making really, really tough decisions and absolutely don't want to have to make those decisions on the backs of their youngest, children.
Right. It's amazing because when you see the numbers, right, something like 40% of everybody making less than $40,000 a year has lost their job. So
Absolutely.
of course, people living paycheck to paycheck have been so badly impacted. So let me ask you, how do you guys normally celebrate National Diaper Need Awareness Week? And is this going to be different this year?
Well, really, we look at Diaper Need Awareness Week in sort of a two-pronged approach. Number
Mm-hmm.
one, it really is a week for us to focus on educating and reminding the community about the reasons why we exist,
Mm-hmm.
about diaper need, about its effects,
Right.
not only directly in keeping children dry and healthy, but
Right.
also its impacts on maternal mental health.
Mm-hmm.
How it can impact barriers to school and work for families,
Mm-hmm.
just all of the different effects and impacts on
Right.
children and their families, and
Mm-hmm.
really sort of educating and reminding people about that. And then number two, making it sort of easy for families to got attacked by a bee there, making it easy for families to take some action
Right.
on helping to do something about it. And so actually it will be similar to what we've done. We've really started sort of an online social media campaign, and we link that to ways in order to send resources directly to our warehouse. So we will be doing a diaper and wipe drive, virtual drive.
Oh, great.
This year, and we've seen tremendous success with that. And we ask folks to sort of, share, facts about diaper need and what action they've taken on social media, also to help us spread the word. And sort of the National Diaper Bank Network helps out a lot with providing us with, infographics and the latest facts and research, and so we just try to share that, and that's how we sort of celebrate Diaper Need Awareness Week here in Baltimore.
That's great. And so if people are interested in supporting ShareBaby during National Diaper Need Awareness Week, would they get the information you're talking about on your website?
Yeah, we encourage people to visit our website at sharebaby.org, and also follow us at ShareBabyMD across all of our social media platforms. Our social media platforms are a great way to sort of stay connected to what we're doing, stay connected. We also are still hosting small volunteer sessions. We have a 9,000 square foot warehouse. And so we can safely host small volunteer groups, ways to get involved in helping us, get resources into that warehouse, helping us actually prepare those resources to get out to the community.
Right.
And so you can just sort of follow us and hopefully stay connected during Diaper Need Awareness Week and throughout the year.
Excellent. Is there anything else you'd like to share? What did I miss?
Just no, not really. Just that, ShareBaby again is really proud of its growth and what we've been able to become, especially with the guidance of the National Diaper Network. It's been a great resource for us, not only in terms of like actually getting knowing the best ways to gain the resources and get them distributed out in the community, but how to be a really strong, well-run organization so that we can continue to be here now and into the future. That's really important to us.
I'm so glad to hear that. And I think that, we're really proud to be able to share resources, but it's the strength of, leaders like you and organizations like ShareBaby that, that make it possible. So, it's really a partnership, and we're so glad to be partners with you.
Thank you. And just that, we're called ShareBaby, and it really is about bringing awareness of this, really serious need. Right. But it also is about connecting people and connecting families. Mm-hmm. And we just think that it's such an important time in our society, and to really reach out and share love and care. And through ShareBaby and other diaper banks, it's just a really easy way to show other people and children and families that you care about them. And so we're just really proud to be able to do work.
You're right.
That reflects that.
My mantra is small things impact big things. So, that's exactly what you're talking about. So I'm just going to put you on the spot. I hope you guys will be joining us in October for the U.S. Conference on Poverty.
Yes.
And Needs.
Yes, we will be.
Excellent. That makes me very happy.
Absolutely.
Excellent. Well, I know you've got a really busy morning. And thank you so much, Amina, for joining us today. And thanks to everybody who joined us to watch. And if you want to learn more about ShareBaby, like Amina said, please take a look at their website.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, Amina. Have a great
Take care.
I appreciate you making this work.
Thank you. Take care. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.